Hey guys, welcome to couponing. This is Splint Rose. How are you? Hope you're doing pretty good. I'm doing okay. I went out today again to Rite and picked up a few items, couponing items. I had some essential things that I needed to get. Alright, I found these extendable swatters. And these things are really, really good. Look at this. These are called swatters. They're fly swatters, any kind of bug swatters. Okay, you take this part, just pull it up. Then it becomes longer. Look, so long I can't even put all of it in the camera. And you, bam, bap. You see a fly, you bap it. And I mean, these things are so awesome. They really do get the flies. So I bought 3 of these. These were reduced. And they were normally $3. They were reduced to 75 cents. So I bought 3. We're going to need them in the summer because even though we have screens on all the windows and all of that, those flies, when you're going in and out of the door, they manage to get in. So we're going to make sure that if they get in, they're not going to stay. Okay? And then the next thing that I bought was the this here, the all. These were $2.99. I had a $1 off coupon that I was able to use, so I got them for $1.99. I bought 3 bags of these. I bought 3 bags, and I bought 2 containers like this. They were the same price as well. They were $2.99. And I used that $2 off coupon. I forgot where I got the coupon from, but I think it was last week's Smart Source. They were in the Smart Source, and I had cut the coupons out. So last week was what? I think the 26th. Yeah, if it was the 26th, yeah, I took them out of the Smart Source, and I thought that was a great price. To pay only $1.99 for these, and these are big, and the all here, I think there are, there's 22 packs of these parts. This is normally $8.29 for this. So to get it for $1.99, that's a great savings. The same thing with this the liquid one. It's a great savings. So I picked it up. And, yeah, I feel like I got a great deal on that. Okay? I'm just putting them away. That way I can put them up when I'm done. Okay, so then the next thing I bought was, I bought some Always pads. Whoops. Yeah, I bought 2 packs of these, and they were $12. Both packs, each pack was $12. I didn't really have any coupons for them, but they are needed, so I bought them. But you got $5 back in points, those bonus reward points. You got $5 back. Then I bought these Quattro razors. I bought 2 lavender ones. And I bought 2 of the pink ones. Now, you had to buy $20 to get $5 back. So I ended up buying, let me pick them up off the floor. I ended up buying 4 packs. Why? Because when you buy, the reason I did that was that when you buy the one of them costs $10.99. Then you get the other one 50% off. And that is $5.99. So $5.49. So that brings your order to like $16. So you need to be able to buy $20 worth in order to get the $5. So I had that $7 off 2 chic razors. So that's why I bought 2. Then I bought 2 more. I know it was going to bring me well over my $20, but I figured that. So okay. So you figure I paid $16 for each 2. 16 and 16 is 32. I had the $7 off coupon. 7 and 7 is 14. 14 from 32 is, let's see, 8, 9, 10, 14. Oh, man. I'm sorry, I got to write it down because some of them I could do easy in my head. So, wait, give me a second. 32 minus 14. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay. 9, 10, 11, 8, 9, 10. So 8. Okay, so that was easy. So that was like $18. And then they were giving you $5 back. So that's $13. So you figure I paid like $4 for each razor, and each razor was normally $10.99. I think that was a good price. $4 for each one. Not a bad price at all. Okay, so I bought these 4 razors, and each one has 4 razors inside. So that's not a bad price. Okay, so that's not bad at all. Then the other thing that I bought was some CoverGirl. And the CoverGirl, I bought these 2. Okay, I just saw it. This one was $11.29. I had a $2 off coupon, and it's when you buy one you get one 50% off. So this one here was normally $7.69. But I got it for $3.84 because the 50% came off. And so that was, let's see, 13, 14. Let's say like $15 for both of these. I'd take off $4. I'll take off $4. That leaves $11. Then I'm getting $5 back. So that leaves that, what, $6. For both of these, or $3 a piece. Not bad. That's a pretty good price. Sometimes the prices can be not real low, but it can be low enough. So I thought that was a pretty good deal. Anyway, guys, I used $15 in rewards. I got back $16 in rewards, and I got some coupons for ointment, hemorrhoid ointment, and one for that Method body wash. All right, so not a bad price, but not the greatest that I've done, but it's not bad. I just had to get out again. I sit in here and I just really start thinking about my sister so much, but it's good to get out. So I got out and went to the store, and these are the things that I bought. All right, okay, guys, so thank you for joining me. Remember, have fun shopping. Don't forget to subscribe, thumbs up the video, press the notification button so you'll be notified whenever I put up a video. And I'll see you in the next video, guys. Bye-bye. Love you much, I do.